Here's a night bloom captured in real time. Relax and enjoy this rare moment. This flower is called Brahmakamalam. It blooms only at night and usually just once or twice a year. The blooming begins after sunset and completes within a few quiet hours. In English, it is known as the Queen of the Night or Night Blooming Ceres. Hindi, Telugu and Malayalam it is called Brahmakamalam. In Telugu, it is also called as Gagana. The flower stays open only for a few hours before it fades by morning. Watching it bloom feels like seeing a gentle secret of nature, silent, slow and beautiful.